In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress a PDF with PDFsam. Now, first, you want to go to their official website and you want to get PDFsam Visual because this is the most convenient tool to use if you want to compress using PDFsam. And then whenever you do that, you want to open it up on your computer. And here, if you scroll down, you'll see under Other Tools, you have the Compress tool. So if you click on this, you can simply drag and drop in your PDF file. So I have one over here. It's just a random one. I'm going to drag and drop it in here. There we go. And then you can change the image resolution in PPI. So I'm going to do, for example, 80. Of course, you can do whatever. And the image quality, I'm going to do 30. Then you can set the image conversion to grayscale if you wanna. I'm not going to do this. And then you can discard bookmarks and multimedia content. Then select where you want the actually destination file to be. I'm going to click on Browse, and I'm going to put it inside my Downloads folder here. And I'm actually going to name this one Compressed PDF like this. There we go. And then you want to click on Save, and you can overwrite if already exists. I'm not going to do that because it doesn't. And then you can just click on Save. Now when you do this, it's going to start processing your task, and as you can see, there we go, this has been completed. I now have my PDF document over here, and it's been compressed. So that's how to compress a PDF with PDFsam. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.